Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain you step-by-step process through which you can apply for Young Professional Scheme visa. For this, you need to have scanned copy of passport and your basic details. That's it. First of all, you need to create your account. Clicking on create an account and using the same email ID, you need to sign in to your account. And here you need to select passport and click continue. Here you need to enter your passport number and then you need to click continue. Your date of birth, click continue. Here you need to select any one option. I'm choosing mobile. If you choose mobile, you will get a security code. You need to enter that security code in this box and click continue. These are my past applications. You can view application as well. So basically, this whole process takes around 5 minutes. It is totally divided into 4 sections. The first section, we need to confirm our email ID. We need to just select our email ID and press continue. Just need to confirm the email ID and press continue. That's it. Section 1 was completed. In this section, you need to select one option. See, if you are aged above 18, you need to select first option. If you are under 18, you need to select second option. If you are a guardian and applying for any other applicant, you need to select third option. Here you need to upload your passport. Upload evidence. And select it from your local system. And you need to choose file from your local system. And upload. That's it. Your file is uploaded. You can see it over here. You can also view. Continue. Your passport file is uploaded. Press continue. Just confirm and upload. Press continue. So 3 sections was completed. On the final step, you need to just submit your application. That's it. And you need to keep note of this UAN number. Unique application number it is. This is the final step. You just need to confirm and submit the application. Continue. This is the UAN number. You need to save it for your future reference. So now you need to wait for 2 weeks. You will receive a mail stating that whether you are successful or not. If you are successful in the ballot, then you can apply for visa. Thank you very much for watching.